But yeah, well, it's not really a dungeon. That's where I first started when I get over here. I'm gonna make something into it.
One sec. We gotta check, see if it's another boat, Dave.
Yeah, because this map we're really close to the treasure.
Shit.
So we're actually
Where did it go?
rendering it.
Oh shit. I don't know where it went. And
Order again.
Rancid made a tunnel.
I see it.
With his,
I see it.
Creepers here, man.
It's the server, dude. The server's horrible with the creepers.
Right.
Forgot about that. Darn it. Get up to our base with... Alright, you headed with my mom? Yeah, or mama. Where's mom? Oh! That. Good. The ease of life mods, maybe.
What about that?
Where you are? Oh wait, I gotta go back to my...
Taking it all off of you? Look, I even did the trees here.
Don't drop me in the lava. Don't drop me in the lava.
Oh, fuck that. I jumped early. I didn't want to get shot.
All, boys.
I got some if you need them. I gotta reinstall my NVIDIA drivers. I didn't bring a pickaxe. I'm not very smart. The bow and pick. No, we don't shoot the traders.
How do we shoot?
Dragon.
So he takes a boat, Paul.
We're way too overpowered. Packed us and put it back in the chest. I'm gonna repair some stuff with them here. You can get like, I think 60 levels or something like that out of it.
Are you serious?
Yep. Oh, you'll need it if you're trying to...
Last match, it's hard to say.
She's only 930 though. Man, fuck off! You fucking rat bastard pieces of shit! You fucking move from a...
H2 cog, boys. Close range.
Oh, that's tiresome, dude. Hope you feel better. Especially if we kept you up that late. Aw, wasn't enough for him. Grindy concept of Minecraft. What in the... Did anybody else see that weird... That was weird.
Fuck, you have so much stone. I'll take some.
No. No, I mean for building.
I'm always collecting dirt and just like terraforming as I'm like...
Oh, I got like a chest and a... Collecting all this twiggies and branches and junk. There. Alpha's green. Even though I just had the crap beat out of me. But you can't make the white glaze stuff.
But I think you need. The actual.
There we go. Yeah, but I don't pay much attention when I get to doing it, and I should have built it. We're at his
How are
tower.
you lost already? It's not going towards this tower, boys. It's going this way. How are you you're
Good way to waste resources.
fuck.
Yeah, we should only go in one at a time so we're not all like clusterfucked.
Order.
Are you talking to yourself, Daddy?
No, we're talking to Leah. Games the cat. I got with the visitor.
I don't want to wait. I'll just let it come back over and after and do it.
More creepers or zombies. There's a creeper over there on the left.
Can I get that piggy target?
Probably. Need a leek and a daffodil for that as well. See if it crashes again, right? That was kind of silly. Get one game in. Crap.
Thing's a bit of a trot. Replicator on its way.
Is it working? I don't know. Oh, there it goes. Pew, 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 pew. Pony Boy's live. Oh my god. Arms. Flags. I hate creative builds. I hate creative builds.
We got a
We used
quite
to go.
ways to take it.
He's gonna go for the yellow bin then.
Oh, there's Paul.
Turn some PvP on right now, boys.
Paul's
Let's
here.
do it. Game crash. Stream crash. And the crash. I was like, alright, yeah. Good enough. We need birch. I don't need any birch.
Well, that was fun. Thanks, Dave.
Got a brewing station. There's a boat right there, Dave. There's a boat over here from Little Dave. Behind you.
You can make clocks. I don't know what time it is. How do I make a table again?
Run for your life. Picking up all the money, out running away.
I have 4 under ours.
All right.
Good, yeah.
But we're fishing on land right now
Yeah.
because we don't want.
Those care packages likely shift the delta in our favor.
No, not trying to catch him back or anything like that, or push him in the water.
Oops.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah.
That was the jump break. My bot, me and my bots would have taken you out. Dumbass.
Big up to us. That was the last one in the squad.
I think. No, they're both laying down. Awesome. Ooh, kitty. Scared me. Okay, little zombie, go away, dude. Yeah, I'm swimming over to it. Oh, he's going up right by the keyboard. But better repair my. We were flying around. We got 100. We're going down to get it.
We're going down to get it.
Yeah. Of course, that's what I get for not paying attention. That's not. Found a staircase?
Oh no, it looks like it.
Yeah, because someone's been
Cobblestone?
down here.
Where?
Grodies. Yo, Gary coming in with the light. What's going on, Gary?
Keep eyes on the new kill leader.
Fuck, there's a jump thing here, thank God. Wee. You imagine taking that jump and going back.
You can make it fun of my disability.
That's not a disability, that's an excuse.
And
What happened to do it? What do you have in your chest?
I got some night vision potions.
I have a how? That's funny. There we go. Yeah, it did. That's funny. And then it went back through, of course. Or did you pick it up?
That is so funky on the
There was some hay. Excellent. Wolf coming in with that kill.
Getting super.
Maury's like me though, not really much of a drinker. I can drink rum like a sailor.
Yeah.
I don't care if they're at a different base, go or different village. Go ahead.
Oh, I don't see any up here anymore.
One down.
I wish I wish I had clipped that. I could have sent it to Rob to
Or have
show
you
him how to
muted in
do a
game
month
though?
on it.
You're the skeleton dude with the fro. It's cool. Appreciate you guys. Hell yeah. Alex Williams,
Right here.
hello. How are you? And any guy anywheres? I get out of your way first.
Hey, just think, with all this, you can have all the calcite you want.
Yeah, I guess can I make no, I can't make calcite blocks. Damn it! I got way too excited about making blocks. He won't play Minecraft on the Switch anymore. Making me money, money, all kinds of money, money.
Smithing table?
Yeah. It's there's a shovel in it with silk touch. Go for it.
Oh, we'll wait till the line stops. We have 10 seconds.
Oh, okay. X's?
Yep.
Orange?
Not going to play the commercial. I just want the materials list. Surprised Darren isn't on. Massive mountain bike. One sec. Get all this.
Killing shit.
Okay, is it gonna clean up some river? What is that?
You know what doesn't manage lag?
Is it? And make sure you close your gate so
A piggy can say.
I don't know, could be in here somewhere.
my hoe is fortune.
Yeah.
Mangrove everywhere.
Shut it. So probably
All the guys that come in and, you know, just chit chat and pop in for a quick second or whatever, and that's the only reason why it would make me oh wait, I gotta go.
well, I want this to go, but as soon as I put it on the track, it just falls off.
It's enough to make a full onion cry.
I haven't harvested potatoes and
I harvested them for you the other day.
thanks.
What kind of?
With a
I love how it makes it rain. Making me money, money. All kinds of money, money. Imagine if the game had fall damage. Oh god, I'd be dead every 15 seconds. I'm not playing with guys my own skill level. I'm playing with guys that are Nelly and Dilly's skill level. Whatever. I don't even know how far it is for his measurements, but you were just coming in with the likes.
What a go-getter. Upgrade time. All right. Look at that. Got some extra supplies here.
Go, go, go. Take one of that. Then we gotta move. Behind us, yep.
We just
Right though, dude.
There's no end to them.
Yeah. Did not mean to fall down. Yeah. It's a stack of clay. Oh, yeah. Arrows.
Saves a little bit of time.
Mother Miranda is gonna love you.
Stone steel. Then you gotta concentrate to make sure your bubbles time it just right. Yep. Huh. So weird.
okay.
Hello.
Oh, suck it, bro! Infinite ammo! They did. Works easier for you, bro. But oh, okay.
Better head down.
I don't even know if this is.
Is someone making this right now?
Another guy down here.
Give my shield to recharge. Delivering frag.
Attention.
Throwing an
Evo
arc star.
harvesters are all.
No idea. Oh, there's still one at Dave's house.
What in the? It looks like it's a bit bamboo, is what it looks like.
That's all.
Chance on your equipment. Sometimes they don't roll as good as you want them to. I thought I might as well repair my stuff while I'm here too.
Notice a new kill leader. Wouldn't mind saying good day to him.
Got some extra supplies for us.
Oh wait, what is it I need? I need fucking
We must gather all the other guys.
Where'd you go, Jeremy?
what's your third number? Minus
You're right
180.
beside me.
Right here.
Fuck it, let's do altar.
next time we're champions.
Yeah.
Champions.
Ooh.
To get it.
I relinquish the jump master daily. Mm.
I didn't get here alone.
You know
I
what? We're
defeated
fucking.
a lot of people to get here.
Just wasn't paying attention. Half not here. Kinda losing my mind. I'm letting you play on it, so have at her.
Shot my.
Top of that's all fishing rods and
You want me to bring more deep slate cobble over?
Unbreaking
Oh,
3, looting 2, fire us. But in with that there, cool. What's going on, big guy? Oh, I love some start. Gonna carry you, but I didn't want to move you. You look way too comfortable. Where's he going, Sid? Well, I have lots of the oxygen stuff.